to my channel and I hope you all are doing super duper amazing. So if you guys are watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Pooja. I post makeup and fashion related video on my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and let's make this family huge. And guys, make sure to follow me on all of my social medias like Instagram and Facebook. And if you guys are already following me, then thank you so much. I love you all. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a full face of makeup using all of the expensive product I own. Also guys, I have not planned any look in my mind. It's just going to be a random. Plus guys, I'm not here trying to show off that I own all of these products. And one more thing, I am not here trying to tell you that you spend your money in all of these expensive products. It's just my personal wish that I wanted to try this product. Plus it's my opinion and my own perception about all of these products. So that was the reason मैंने ये सारे products को लिए हैं. And yeah guys, now without wasting any more further time, you should keep on watching. Product name, detail, everything you will find in the bottom bar. And by the way guys, ये color कितना beautiful है ना. I'm really in love with this color. Actually I brought this top very long back. And also guys, I'm really planning to create such kind of makeup which will go with this top. So stay tuned. Now let's get started. Guys, I'm gonna start off by putting my hair back. And I'm just gonna apply this headband. Okay, so cute. So guys, the first thing I'm just gonna do is I'm going to hydrate my face. For that I'm going to use a normal lotion, and for that I'm going to use the Face Shop White Seed Brightening Lotion. I know I have been showing you this product into my videos so much of time because I really love it. I'm definitely gonna get the full size in this one. Also guys, if you're wearing this makeup in a daytime and you are stepping out of your house, so guys make sure you apply a good sunscreen. I'm not gonna go anywhere. मैं just यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ and I'm having my own time and shooting a makeup video. I'm not gonna go out, so that is the reason I'm not applying. So guys, now I'm going to do one more step to hydrate my face. For that I'm going to use this MAC Prep and Prime Fix It, and I really love this one, and I use this very little by little. Like I use this on a special occasion because I really love this product. Plus this product is hell expensive. It is like for 1890 rupees or something. Oh, I really love the smell. The smell is really refreshing and really soothing. I really love it, and it have typically that MAC के cosmetic के smell which I like. Now I'm just gonna let it dry by itself onto my face, and then I'll start the next step. And guys, in the meanwhile time, I'll just hydrate my lips, and I'm using this Maybelline's Baby Lip. I don't have any expensive lip balm, and यही बहुत अच्छा काम कर लेता है. So I never thought of investing my money into a expensive lip balm. Okay guys, so now my skin is well hydrated. Now I'm gonna start off by applying a primer. For that I'm going to use this Benefit Professional Primer, and I really love this primer. This primer is so damn amazing. Like it really do wonder for my skin in the way I have oily skin, so it really helps to control my oiliness and sebum production, and it really makes my makeup last long. Also guys, this primer really give you that smooth canvas for your skin. This primer gives a very smooth finish to your skin which will help your makeup to blends in properly. So I really love this primer, how the consistency is of this primer, and I really like it. मैं इसे बहुत थोड़े से amount में लेके I'm just gonna apply it where I have oily skin or where I get oily the most. So guys, I want to suggest you all, if this primer fits into your budget, spend your money on this. This primer is so amazing, especially if you have large pores issue and you want your makeup doesn't stay on place, then only you spend your money in this. Also guys, इसका mini version भी available है, so you guys can spend your money on that. That is pretty affordable. It is somewhere for around 1000 rupees or 1200 rupees, but I usually love this primer. So I will suggest you कि अगर आपको लेना है and this really fits into your budget, then only you spend your money in this. The next step is a foundation. For that I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and it have SPF 15, and I'm in the shade NC30. This is a bit dark for me, but somehow I managed to work with this. I really love this foundation. So the one thing I really want to say कि इसकी packaging is bit off. They have not provided any pump with this. The packaging is really uncomfortable. So what you have to do is आपको इसे अपने हाथों में लेना पड़ता है. So the only con that this product have, other than that, this product is amazing. It have beautiful matte finish. It is so long lasting. Plus it really blends out easily, very lightweight, and give full coverage. And also guys, don't forget to blend your foundation on your neck area as well. Okay, so you guys can already see that my base is looking pretty nice and well covered. So I have not applied the foundation under my eyes. It's because I'm going to use a concealer. So these days what I have started doing is I avoid applying a foundation underneath my eyes. And guys, what it do is it really avoid layering up the product. Now guys, I'm going to apply a concealer. For that I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm in the shade golden beige. So basically this again exactly matches to my skin tone, so I will highly suggest you guys, you don't need a foundation when you own this, honestly I'm telling you. And guys, this is a concealer, but you can use this in a multiple way, and the coverage is so good, and everything of this concealer is so damn amazing. It is so lightweight, plus it have nice coverage. It really helps to cover all of the pigmentation and all of the dark circles that your eyes have, and that is the reason I really love this one. And guys, I will highly suggest you कि अगर ये आपके budget में fit बैठ सकता है, then you totally spend your money on this. This concealer is so good. Also guys, it have 15 milliliters of product in it, which gonna last good amount of time. So you guys can already see that how pretty and how flawless my base is looking right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to set all of the product into place. For that I'm going to use my favorite MAC Studio Fix compact powder, and I am in the shade NC25. Guys, this compact powder do have some sort of coverage, so if you guys doesn't want to apply a foundation and so on, so you guys can instead use this compact powder like that, and guys, it give good amount of coverage. And I'm mainly concentrating on the area where I have applied a concealer, because I really don't want it to crease. Any which ways, this concealer doesn't crease really quick, and it really settled down into my skin amazingly. Now it's time for add some structure and definition to my face. For that I'm going to use this Benefit Hoola bronzer, and this is in a mini version. Again, iska full size again बहुत expensive है. It is almost like 3000 rupees or like that sort. And guys, that is the reason I have picked up the small one. And guys, I really like this bronzer. And guys, this product also comes with this kind of cute brush, which really make the application of this bronzer easy. Now I'm going to use a blush. For that I'm going to use this Benefit California blush, and I again have a mini version. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this tapered kind of brush, and I'm just going to apply this on the apple of my cheeks. Also guys, this blush do have some sort of sheen to it, which gonna give you the highlighting effect, very little bit, not very chunky or like that. And also the smell of this blush is so good. So now guys, my base is done. I'm going to set my face using this MAC Prep and Prime again, and this time guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to spray this on this beauty blender, and then I'm just going to dab this beauty blender all over my face. Now guys, I'm going to do my eye makeup. So for that I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I really love this palette. This palette have amazing shades. Let me show you. So you guys can already see how beautiful this shade is. I really adore this palette a lot. I seriously love using this palette. These days I'm only using this palette because this palette is such a baby, honestly. So I don't have any of the expensive eyebrow products. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to mix these two shades right here, and I'm just going to do my eyebrow. Also guys, all of these shadows are so damn pigmented, so I'm really going very light-handed. So guys, what I'll do is I'm just going to pick this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply this shade all over my eyelid, and I'm using this Real Technique 305 brush. Also guys, I'm trying to blend out the edges as well, and you guys, you can see how pigmented it. The shades are like, the finish and everything is so amazing. I mean, I'm really in love with this one. Now guys, to intensify this color more, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick this color, and very little bit I'm going to pick, not so much, very little bit, just to add some tinge of color. To pick this color right here. This is such a nice color. This is such a nice dusty rose kind of color, and this is in the shade Demure. And I'm just going to blend out all of the edges. Also, I'm going to place this color on my crease as well. And now guys, I'm going to pick this doll face color, and I'm going to intensify my outer V more. And also guys, I'm taking that color into my crease as well. So now guys, for my lower lash line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this color right here. I'm just going to blend that out into my lower lash line. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner. And for that, I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to tightline my waterline, so I don't have any expensive eyeliner or kajal. I'm gonna use the one which I have. And guys, then I'm going to apply a mascara. For that, I'm going to use this Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, and this is again in a mini version. I really like this mascara. I have already used this mascara, and this is so amazing. It really adds volume to your lashes. Plus guys, it really make your lashes curve and fuller, so that is the reason I really love this mascara. But this is so expensive. I got it for around 1045 rupees or 50 rupees, somewhere around that. And guys, the full size of this mascara retails for about 2000 rupees or something, but I am happy with the mini version. Okay, so this is how my lashes look right now, and we are almost done with our makeup. The last step is I'm going to apply a lipstick, and for that I'm going to use is MAC, and this is in the shade Meher. This is a mini version, and it retails for 1050 rupees or somewhere around that, and the full size is available for 1670 rupees or 1650 rupees. But I really love this color, and this color is such a nice dusty rose sort of color, and guys, it's gonna go with almost all of the makeup look that you're gonna try. And I think this will gonna suit almost all skin types, but if you have rich undertone, then this might wash you. But this lipstick is so cute and so amazing. Also, this is so teeny tiny. I really like this. I'm going to add a highlighter. For that, I'm going to use this MAC Extra Dimension highlighter, and guys, ये टूट चुका है, but this is so expensive, so I really have to be careful with this one. So I'm just going to apply this highlighter on the highest point of my face. Like, ooh, look at the color. This is how my final look turned out. You can even add a false eyelashes if you feel so, but I really don't want it to. And guys, this is how my makeup look. I hope you find this video helpful, interesting and informative, and if you really did so, then you guys know the drill. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family. And yeah guys, now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care and see you soon.